At Saloodo, you can send a transport request to a large number of carriers at the same time and thus compare their services or prices easily and transparently. You no longer have to call or write to individual carriers in order to select the best service provider for your order. To post your transport needs on the platform, simply click on the blue button to create new shipment. First, enter the locations where the goods are to be picked up or delivered. You can enter the complete address or simply enter the name of the company. Our system will complete the remaining address details fully automatically. Click on Edit Address to change the address manually. Also describe the conditions at the pickup and delivery location. You can choose between 6 specifications. By the way, it doesn't matter whether you want to have national or international transports carried out, the procedure is always the same. Next, please describe the goods you would like to send. In addition to pallet transports, you can also have boxes transported. Click on the drop-down arrow to specify the box type. You can also request a whole truck. Click on the drop-down arrow to specify the truck type and then fill out the mask. Under the item mother, you can select further transport goods. Again, click on the drop-down arrow and select your desired goods. In this tutorial, we will continue with a transport request for shipping pallets. Specify the number of pallets, the dimensions, and the weight per pallet. Also specify whether your goods are stackable and whether you want to transport dangerous goods. If you would like to request different goods within the same transport, then add the other goods by clicking here. After you have described your transport goods, finally enter the exact pickup and delivery time as well as the pickup and delivery date. You can choose whether the pickup or delivery should take place on a fixed day or within a certain period of time. Please note that the pickup and delivery dates are not guaranteed or binding. Particularly in general cargo transport, misunderstandings occur from time to time, as the times cannot be adhered to exactly due to external circumstances such as traffic jams or changes in planning. If your transport requires additional requirements, you can add these in additional requirements. Click on Publish and Compare Offers to publish your transport request. By the way, you can also save the details as a template, so you don't have to enter the same specifications again each time if your request is a recurring transport request. If you do so, you can choose to give your template an individual name. After you have chosen a name, click Submit. Your transport request is now successfully published on the Saloodo platform and you will soon get offers from available carriers.